How to create a Walmart account. So if you want to create a Walmart account, then first of all you have to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser. Now in the search bar you have to search for Walmart, and now here you will have www.walmart.com. On the first search you can click on that. Now it will take you to the web page or the website, and after opening the website you can go to sign in, which is on the upper right corner, and then here you can click on sign in or create account. And now to create your account you have to first enter your email address, and after entering your email address you have to click on continue. And now to create your Walmart account you have to first enter your first and then your last name, and after entering your first and last name you have to create a password. To make sure you have a strong password, you have created a strong password. Your password must have at least 7 to 24 characters. And after creating your password you can click here so that it will keep you signed in on your device. And then if you want to receive the emails about new arrivals, then you can click here. But if you don't want to receive the emails, then you can unclick it. And after entering your information you can click on create account. But if you want to change your email address, then you can click on change, and then you can change your email address. But if you're okay with that, then you can simply click on create account, which is on the bottom of your screen. And then here you have to enter your phone number, and after entering your phone number you have to click on send code, and then you will receive a code on your phone number which you have just entered. You have to enter that code. But if you didn't receive the code, then you can click on send another code, and then it will again send you the code. And after entering the code you can click on create. It may take some time to get the code, and after entering the code you can create your account by simply clicking on create. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.